Ladies and gentlemen, hi, my name is Healy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. I have been on a hair product no-buy for 2.5 years. Since January 2019, I have not spent any of my own money to purchase hair products. Now, I did have a couple coupons and Sally Beauty rewards during that time, just a few, and I used that to buy, I would say maybe 5 or 6 products. Literally 5 or 6 individual single products in the past 2.5 years. And I did that all on rewards, coupons, where I spent zero money out of pocket. But now, after 2.5 years, your girl done broke her no-buy. If you recall on my last video where I did the Silk Elements Pure Oils moisturizing line, and I was telling y'all how good some of those products were, and I was like, man, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna re-up on these, or these gonna be staples for me at least during the summer. I broke my no-buy at Sally Beauty. Here is what the inside of the box looks like as soon as I opened it. I have this box, and we're gonna see what's in that. And then I have a few things inside here. I am a gel person. I prefer gels. I've been using gel since way back in the day. And in the summertime, I definitely lean more towards gels because for me, they are quick, they easy, they provide the hold that I need for any kind of style that I use, and I just really like gels. The first product that I got is the Ampro Pro Style Regular Hold Protein Styling Gel. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I kind of don't like this gel because of the color. But from what I remember, the hold is where it's at. They also have that clear ice gel. I really do not like that. But I bought it one time and you know I used it all the way to the bottom of the container because what? Waste not, want not. This is filled all the way to the top, and you can see the color is like a dark brown color, and I mean it is filled all the way to the top. Thank you, Ampro. And on the top of this, it says benefiting St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, finding cures, saving children. So I feel even better about that purchase. The next thing I bought is the Reza Be Obsessed Salon Series King of Wax Perfection in a Jar, champagne infused for all hair types. Y'all, and the top was loose. Hold on. This is what this gel looks like if you can see it. It's kind of like a sparkly shimmery gel. It's not filled all the way to the top at all. It's supposed to be champagne infused. I guess it smells like something. The next thing I got was a pack of rubber bands because even though I have 10,000 rubber bands at home, what's 400 more? I use these rubber bands when I do my twists and my plaits because when I do twist and plait my hair, if I don't secure them at the bottom, they will come loose. And I'm not trying to go through all of that just for my hair to come loose. So these Proclaim rubber bands, I always have these. I have these black ones and I have the color ones too, but I'm on my trip and I don't have any rubber bands. And I kind of wanted to twist my hair a little bit. I'm also combing a few other heads and I need rubber bands for them too. Sally also had a 4 for $20 sale at the time that I made this purchase. And so I went back to my Sally GVP, their generic value products, and I got a few of those. The first thing that I got was the Calming and Hydrating Shampoo. Compared to Aveda Shampure Shampoo, Restores moisture, balances, and cleanses hair. This is a 8 ounce. Then I got the matching combing and hydrating conditioner compared to Aveda Shampoo conditioner. Restores moisture, balances, and smooths hair. This is also a 8 ounce bottle. The next thing that I got was the Extra Volume Sculpting Gel compared to Paul Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Gel, Maximum Whole Whip Body. And this is a 8 fluid ounce. The last thing I got was the Sculpting Lotion compared to Paul Mitchell Hair Sculpting Lotion, Extra Body and Shine. And this is more of a liquidy product. And this is a 16 fluid ounce. I can't really place the smell on it, but we'll go more in depth when I actually do the review. That's it for this box. I don't know if you can see the tag, but these are the Silk Elements Pure Oil Marmalade, the gel from the Pure Oils Moisturizing line. Let me show y'all how many I bought. Can y'all see that? Now, something is wet on the side here, so it appears that one of the jars must have slightly opened. Yep, it was this one. I just want to check one of these other ones to see. Yeah, see, they have the protective top. So I don't know what happened with the other one that spilled. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So y'all, I wasn't playing. This Silk Elements Pure Oils Moisturizing Marmalade Cream Styling Gel, Styling Cream Gel. I still don't know why they call it a cream gel, because when I think cream, I think a white or off-white color. It's not like that. It is more of a clear gel. But I bought 10 of these gels and I'm gonna be using them. Matter of fact, I have it's over there out of the scope of the camera, but the one that I had that I did the original review on, I finished that one like just this morning. So I finished that one whole gel. So that was like the first jar, and now I have 10 more. Well, 9 3/4 because some gel spilled out, and you can see it like in the box. You can see right here where it spilled. These gels are normally $8.99. When I made this purchase, Sally Beauty had the 4 products for $20, select brands and stuff, but the Silk Elements was included in that. So it was regular $8.99, so $9. Then they had the 4 for $20, so that would have made them $5. Y'all, but these gels were on clearance for $1.29. $1.29. This box right here, if you can see it, I don't know, but this box is for a dozen. So they have 12 in this box. Y'all, if I would have known that, I would have just bought 12. If I'd have known that it was a 12 box, I definitely would have bought 12. And you know what? If the gels is still on clearance by the time I get home, guess what? I think I'm gonna buy some more. This is a gel that you can use, to me, like for anything at any time. It definitely works perfectly well with the matching leave-in conditioner. I didn't have any flakes, no residue, no snow, no clumps, no nothing. It mixed perfectly well together. So I know it works with that leave-in, but this gel is kind of like an everyday gel. I can use it for my little swoops for my edges. I can use it for twists. I can use it for plaits. I can use it for a wash and go. This is just an all-around gel, and 8 ounces for $1.29. let it still be on clearance when I get home, because I'm gonna buy some more. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. I really just wanted to show you the products that I purchased, breaking my 2.5 hair product no buy. Y'all, I can't believe it. But to me, that's how good the moisturizing marmalade hair gel was, because that's the thing that made me break my no buy. And I started to buy another leave-in, but I was trying to keep my purchases under a certain amount, and I'll have clips to show how much I spent and everything. I should have got another leave-in, but then I remember I already have another leave-in at home, and I use more gel than I use the leave-in. Probably not this much more, but Sally Beauty very often has that 4 for $20 or some other kind of sale on Silk Elements, so I can catch the leave-in during the next sale. But the leave-in that I have is gonna last me a little while, because like I said, I use more gel than the leave-in. The leave-in is so moisturizing, and I stand by what I said. That leave-in is like Camille Rose Curl Love moisturizer. I am not saying that it's exactly the same. I'm not saying that it's, you know, match 1 for 1, but if this is Camille Rose Curl Love moisturizer, that Silk Elements pure oil, y'all, it's about right here, like for real. I'm not even joking, for real, for real, for real. And I think that leave-in is $8.29 for an 8-ounce bottle, and you know, that's more affordable than the Camille Rose. And plus, like I said, Sally Beauty have like the 4 for $20. They'll have 50% off. You know, there's always a sale, so you can get that leave-in for an even more affordable price. I'm not sure if the products are Curly Girl method friendly. They are probably not, so please check the ingredients. The pure oils, leave-in conditioner, and marmalade gel combo, y'all saw that wash and go that I did. You see the remnants of it like 5 or 6 days later. Y'all, the definition, the hold, the shine. I didn't have any oils in my hair. I had nothing in my hair except for that leave-in and that gel, and that was it. The definition, the shine, the hold. Y'all, what? Go back and check out that video again, please. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. We'll just show y'all the little remnants. I can't really move too much. I got products all around me, y'all. But share this video with everyone you know. And until next time, bye.